Welcome out, meal preppers. Paul here with Let's Meal Prep. I got Amy behind the camera once again. We'll get her back out. And we've got some dishes here. In fact, Amy picked these dishes.
I did.
Wanted to focus on protein and fiber
this
week. Who doesn't love fiber? And
I love fiber.
Great
Ladies,
way to keep clean.
your
guys.
body loves fiber.
In fact, fiber is probably like the fourth macro. Always get a little fiber in your diet too. We got 3 dishes here. We got salmon, we got some turkey meatballs, we got egg roll in a bowl. We're gonna start over here with our salmon dish. We brought salmon back, look at that. I cooked up this salmon with lemon and ginger, a little bit of salt, and we sprinkled some cilantro on top. But we made this hearty salad. So we've got a spring mix with romaine, there's cilantro, red onion, radish, there's cucumbers. We're gonna add these roasted sweet potatoes in there. Yes. And then for a little added crunch.
Croutons.
Yeah, exactly. For a little added crunch, we got some hemp hearts in here. Always good added crunch, but as you can see, it adds a little bit of protein and
healthy
some
fats.
omegas in there, healthy fats, and a little bit more healthy fat, of course. We've got avocado. Wow, look at that beautiful avocado.
Yes, I know, I did good.
They looked good today.
They did.
Then stepping over here, we've got some turkey meatballs, and they are in a mushroom cream gravy. So gravy right here made with bone broth, chicken bone broth, and some coconut milk, loaded up with some chopped mushrooms in there. It is phenomenal. I cooked up some turkey meatballs, and you can serve that with anything. We chose some roasted broccoli and cauliflower, and then our favorite jasmine rice. You could load up more veggies. You could also put potatoes in this as well if you didn't want to do rice, but that's a good option to load up with what you want with your favorite veggies. But that gravy, man.
We don't make gravy very often.
Don't make it. Put that over your potatoes too.
He was shocked when I said mushroom gravy. He was like, what?
And then we haven't made this in a while, and I'll let you know why, because egg roll in a bowl was just all cabbage. There's a lot of different recipes out there, and a lot of them call for just straight up cabbage. And as you know, cabbage can be pretty aggressive towards your bowel system. So we have a little cabbage in there, but most of it is a power slaw, which is a lot of broccoli.
Brussels.
We didn't put broccoli slaw in there, but it has
broccoli, Brussels, kohlrabi, cabbage, I think, blend.
So
Something like
a
that.
power slaw, which is good, a little better. And then we put some shredded carrots in there too.
Yeah.
So we've got that mixture of 3, and this actually has ground beef in it. We use ground beef this week, not bison. We changed it up. And you cook that all in one skillet, real easy to do.
Super easy dish, y'all.
Obviously, this is my portion.
Well, okay, so.
It makes 3 quite good portions and a half portions. So that's mine.
He'll pick at that.
And that's our dishes this week, guys. Look at that. So let us know what you like. Cook them all. Cook one. And have a great holiday season. And let us know what you like. All right, guys. Take care.